vlog immediately because we were rushing to get out and we both forgot that driving is on the opposite side. And I jumped in the driver's seat, he jumped in the passenger side thinking we were about to roll until we realized that no, sister, we were both on the wrong side. So, just roll the window down. We are about to take an hour ride to the other side of this island so that we can go on a catamaran ride, a boat ride for the whole day.
This thing stays open?
It's gonna stay open. And I look pretty damn good for no makeup on. No makeup, so go ahead, girl.
Crap.
Yeah, this driving is gonna be interesting. We made it to the cruise. So, do you feel cool already?
Always cool.
But we have great views already, so. Look at the mountains. Am I invisible? I don't know.
Yep.
So now we're headed to another island area, and I've been drinking a lot of wine on this boat. So hopefully I survive the rest of the trip. But it's so beautiful out. We've made it to an island. What is it called?
It's called.
So I'm hanging out in the Sade right now because, man, your girl is getting chocolate. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that, but yeah, that's it. I don't know.
Let's go all the way down.
Okay. For the day and headed back home to take a nap. I hope you guys enjoyed this day with us. We'll catch you tomorrow, or not tomorrow, but the next vlog of maybe tomorrow, depending on what we do.